Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share, as you can see by the title above, and I wanted to show you guys what I ended up making with this collection that my friend Amy Franco sent me from her shop. I'm going to have her shop linked down below so you guys can go check her out. She sells multiple collections. She currently has Snow Day on her store, so definitely go check that out. But she had sent me the full collection of the Pebbles Merry Little Christmas. I was gonna say My Merry Little Christmas, but Merry Little Christmas. And yeah, I want to show you guys the project that I ended up creating. Well, one of them, because I do plan on making more. I love this collection, so cute. So I ended up making this, and I showed you guys a sneak peek on Instagram, and I showed you the cover. A lot of you thought it was an embellishment book or like a card, but it's not, you guys. It's an advent calendar inspired by a post that Doodlebug did on their blog, and I absolutely love it. When you open it up, ta-da, it looks just like that. Has a bunch of little boxes, 24 to be exact. And look, you guys, how cute is that? And you could put like a little chocolate. I plan on making 2 more books, so one for my daughter, one for my wife, and then mine, which is this one. And my wife and my daughter are gonna fill mine up, and I'm gonna fill theirs up, and I'm gonna put like maybe some money in some and some chocolates in the other. So I think it'll be fun for every day, all of us as a family, to open up a little advent calendar. So this one is mine because I love this collection. I'm gonna make my daughter more her theme and my wife's her theme, because my wife loves snowmen, so I'm definitely gonna do hers a snowman theme. I'm probably gonna use the crepe paper snowflake for her, and then my daughter's gonna pick her own collection out of my stash. But look, you guys, it's super easy. I'm going to have the blog post linked down below, as well as the video. The video is in a different language, but what I did was I copied and pasted and I translated it, so it was super easy to follow, and I love it so much. That, of course, is the cover. You guys already know that I made this little tree inspired by my friend Vero, and I didn't know what to do with it. I was gonna put it on a card, and then I figured that it matched so good with the collection that I just put it right on top. I put some little snowflakes, and it says Merry Christmas. And then right here on the binding, I put this little holly jolly chipboard sticker. I did some stitching only on the front, and then that's the back, and I think it looks so cute. What do you guys think? So that is my very first project for Amy Franco's Teddy Boo shop. Definitely go check it out. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this super quick video. Are you guys going to be crafting with the Pebbles Merry Little Christmas? It's so cute. But that is the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.